My skin has improved so much just by using this one product. Miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video where I show you one of my favorite skincare secrets, if you will, and give you a good skincare tip that I've been using for the past couple of months and tell you how much it has changed my skin. But first, let me tell you about a cool and chic fragrance company called Dossier, and I partnered with them for this portion of the video. Dossier is an affordable fragrance company that has so many different perfumes and cologne collections. They are inspired by luxury high-end brands such as YSL, Coco Chanel, Dolce Gabana, and many, many more. Let me tell you how it works. So you go on their website, as you can see right here, they have so many different perfumes and colognes, and you pick a perfume or a couple of them and you check out. Now, once you get the box, you're going to have a sample of the same perfume or cologne, and it's going to be in a small sample size. You're also going to have a larger bottle. Now, how it works is you try the small sample size, and if you like it, then great. Just keep the bottle, keep the sample size, and you're all set. But if you don't like it, then you can return the larger bottle for a full refund. So you keep the sample size and you try that out in the box, as you can see here. And if you like it, then you keep it. So the two perfumes that I absolutely love. The first one is Floral Pear, and it is inspired by Jo Malone. And the second one is Fruity Magnolia, and that is inspired by Versace. So I absolutely love both of my perfumes. They smell so good. Now let's talk about the packaging real quick. Isn't it so chic and professional and simple? I absolutely love it, and I love that everyone gets the same packaging. Now I love both of my perfumes for different reasons. The first one, the Fruity Magnolia, inspired by Versace, I love that it's a light, fruity, clean scent, and it's perfect for an everyday wear. You can wear it every day. And the second one that I got, the Floral Pear, that was inspired by Jo Malone. It's a little bit more heavier, but it still smells really good, and I think it would be perfect for a night out. So make sure you check out the description box down below. Click on the link. Dossier, thank you so much for partnering with me for this portion of the video. I absolutely love my perfumes, and I cannot wait to go on your website and get some colognes for my husband to try. Thanks again. Now let's jump right into the rest of the video. So this product, the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution, oh my goodness. This has made such a difference in my skin, you guys. I'm gonna tell you all about it and tell you the difference that it has made in my skin and show you a demo throughout the video. So for the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution, it helps even out your skin, especially if you have a lackluster skin tone or any uneven spots. For me, it's definitely my cheek area. I've noticed around my chin and my jawline that since I get acne marks, hyperpigmentation, post-acne marks, this I've been using and it has helped me with my hyperpigmentation so much. Now, as you can see in the clips that I'm showing here, once I remove all of my makeup and I definitely cleanse my skin thoroughly and carefully, that's when I go in with a cotton pad and this toning solution. Now I just put it on the cotton pad and just wipe it all over my face, and that is it. I let it dry, and if I'm noticing a breakout coming, then I put a little bit of my benzoyl peroxide cream on it, and in the morning the breakout has definitely reduced. Now for this glycolic acid toning solution, I have noticed that my skin definitely feels much more softer. It feels so much more smoother. It's looking more healthier and more even tone, which is a skincare concern that I have since I do have acne and I do suffer from hyperpigmentation and dark spots and uneven skin tone behind the acne. So I've been looking for products that have been more targeted toward evening out my skin tone. That was my primary, my focus, my concern, and I definitely love this solution. Now I do not use it every night. I use it every other night just so that I can use my other products and so that my skin doesn't get irritated, because that's what happens to my skin sometimes. It gets very, very irritated, especially when I am trying something new. So I absolutely love The Ordinary's toning solution. It has made such a difference in fading the dark spots on my skin, especially on this side of my skin. This side of my face had a lot of dark spots, and I've noticed that the dark spots are slowly but surely fading. They're getting lighter, and my skin is definitely looking more healthier and more even tone, which is what I am going for. So I absolutely love this product. I cannot wait to continue using it. I've been using it for the past month every other night as part of my skincare routine, and it is making such a difference in my skin. Another thing that I've noticed, which I'm sure it's pretty much because of this toning solution, I used to get whiteheads, especially on my nose area near my nostrils, and I've noticed that the whiteheads have pretty much disappeared. The pores on my cheeks right here as well are pretty much almost non-existent. They have decreased drastically, and I noticed because when I put on my makeup, my pores aren't as accentuated as they used to be in the past. So I know it's because of this product. One more thing that I'm noticing, especially as we're going into the winter months here in New York City, I usually get dry patches really, really bad between my nose and around my nostrils, and I'm noticing that I'm not getting any more dry patches anymore, and I know it's because of this product. The dry patches have pretty much all but gone. So I also think that this helps to exfoliate the skin as well. Definitely check out The Ordinary. Check out the description box. That's where I usually leave the links to everything. The Ordinary is so affordable. I know this bottle was like less than $20, and look how big it is. It's 240 milliliters, so it's gonna take me a long time to get through, and I know it's between 10 to 15 bucks. So it's so affordable, which I absolutely love. Check out The Ordinary skincare products if you have not checked them out already. They work so well, especially with my skin that's acne prone, and I do suffer from hyperpigmentation, and I do still get spots, especially along my jawline. I do still break out, so these products have definitely helped with my skincare concerns, so check them out. That is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are your favorite skincare products, or what skincare products have you been loving, especially since we've been in lockdown. Let me know in the comment section down below. I love to try out new products, and I hope you do as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news and me, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Check me out on my socials. Check out the description box down below. That's where I put links to everything, including Dossier's products. Thank you so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye!